Today, we're diving into the world of upper body workouts, focusing on key areas like the belly, chest, and shoulders. Get ready to sculpt and strengthen those upper body muscles like never before. Do you often find yourself struggling with upper body shape? If so, you're not alone. Many of us struggle with excess belly and chest fat, but fear not, because we have the perfect solution for you. Stick around as we unveil an effective workout routine designed to focus key areas like the belly, chest, and shoulders. Dumbbell floor flies. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Hold dumbbells in each hand with arms extended above chest. Lower the weights out to the sides in a controlled motion, then bring them back together over your chest. Decline push-ups. Get into a push-up position with feet elevated on a bench or platform. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push back up to starting position. Shoulder sweeper. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Lift the weights up to the sides until arms are parallel to the ground, then lower back down. Reverse grip bent over row. Stand with feet hip width apart, holding dumbbells with palms facing towards you. Hinge at the hips and lean forward slightly, keeping back flat. Pull the weights towards your body, squeezing your shoulder blades together, then lower back down. Upright rows. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding dumbbells in front of thighs with palms facing towards you. Lift the weights straight up towards your chin, keeping elbows higher than wrists, then lower back down. Cross-body curls. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with arms extended down by your sides. Curl one weight across your body towards the opposite shoulder, then lower back down and repeat on the other side. Reverse crunch. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet lifted off the floor. Bring knees towards chest, lifting hips off the ground, then lower back down. Lying leg touches. Lie on your back with legs extended straight up towards the ceiling. Lift your upper body off the ground and reach towards your toes, then lower back down. Plank oblique twist. Start in a plank position on your forearms. Rotate your hips to one side, bringing them towards the floor, then return to center and twist to the other side. V-crunch. Lie on your back with arms extended overhead and legs straight. Lift your upper body and legs at the same time, reaching towards your toes to form a V shape, then lower back down. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive upper body workout targeting the belly, chest, and shoulders. Whether you're looking to sculpt your abs, build a stronger chest, or alleviate shoulder tension, these exercises are sure to deliver results.